In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record your desktop screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. A lot of people don't realize that PowerPoint has a built-in screen recording feature, which means you don't need to install any extra software to capture tutorials, demonstrations, or walkthroughs. Whether you are creating an online course, recording a presentation, or making a quick how-to video, this method is simple and effective. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can start with a blank presentation or open an existing one where you want your screen recording to appear. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look toward the right-hand side for the Media group. Inside that section, you'll see an option labeled Screen Recording. Go ahead and click on Screen Recording. As soon as you click it, your screen will dim slightly and a small control panel will appear at the top of your screen. This is the recording toolbar that allows you to select the area you want to capture. Next, you need to choose the area of your screen that you want to record. To do this, click and drag your mouse across the screen to select the specific region. You can record the entire screen or just a particular window or section, depending on what you need. Be precise with your selection to avoid capturing unnecessary parts of your desktop. Once you've selected the area, you're almost ready to start recording. On the small control panel, click the Record button. After a short countdown, PowerPoint will begin recording everything happening within the selected area. Now perform the actions you want to demonstrate. This could be navigating through a website, showing how to use a feature in a program, or walking through steps in a process. Take your time and make sure your movements are clear and easy to follow. When you're finished recording, move your cursor to the top of the screen to bring back the control panel. Then click the Stop button. As soon as you stop the recording, PowerPoint will automatically insert the recorded video directly into your current slide. You don't need to save or import anything manually. The video will appear as a media object on the slide, and you can click and drag the corners to resize it as needed. If you need to adjust your view, you can scroll within the slide workspace to position the video properly. You can also use the Video Format and Playback tabs to trim the recording, add styles, or adjust playback settings. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your desktop screen using PowerPoint without any third-party software. This built-in feature is perfect for quick tutorials, training materials, and presentations. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.